Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, volume. In this chapter we are going to learn what is volume and what kind of units we use to measure volume and how we can calculate the volume of cube and cuboid. The first thing you need to know is that volume is a quantity that all three-dimensional objects have. To understand what it means, it will help if we recall one-dimensional object like perimeter and two-dimensional object like area. You already learned perimeter and area. Let's see how they are related. Let's recall perimeter. The length of boundary of a closed figure is called the perimeter. So perimeter is one dimension as it has only length. So a line is called one dimension. Let's take 1 centimeter line. If we extend this line by distance of 1 centimeter like this, we get two-dimension shape called square. And two-dimension objects are measured by the two-dimension quantity called area. Thus, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. So, area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. And 1 times 1 is just 1. But what about centimeter multiplied by centimeter? Yes, centimeter multiplied by centimeter gives us square centimeter. We extend this two-dimensional square by distance 1 centimeter like this way, it forms a three-dimensional object called a cube. And to measure a three-dimensional object, we use the three-dimensional quantity called volume. So volume tells us how much three-dimensional space an object occupied. That means the amount of space occupied by a solid is called volume. But how much volume does the cube have? Since it was made by extending 1 square centimeter to a distance of 1 centimeter in the third dimension. So volume is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. But what about centimeter multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter? Yes, it gives us cubic centimeter, which we can write as a 3 in the exponent. And we can say that the volume of this cube is 1 cubic centimeter. So cubic centimeter is the common unit to measure volume. A lot of three-dimension shapes can be formed by taking a two-dimension shape and then extending it along the third dimension. For example, if you start with a square and then extend it along the third dimension, you get a 3D shape called cube. If you take a rectangle and then extend it along the third dimension, you get a 3D shape called cuboid. If you take a circle and then extend it along the third dimension, you get a 3D shape called cylinder. And if you take a triangle and then extend it along the third dimension, you get a 3D shape called prism. Let's see how to find the volume of a cuboid and a cube. Volume of a cuboid is equal to area of 2D shape multiplied by the distance we moved called height. So volume of a cuboid is equal to area of rectangle multiplied by height. And area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So we get a new formula, volume of a cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. We know that in cube all the edges are equal in length. That means length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to edge. So volume of cube is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, or edge cube. Now let's see how perimeter, area and volume are related. Perimeter is one dimension quantity. Area is two dimension quantity and volume is 3-dimension quantity. Perimeter has only length. Area has length and breadth, and volume has length, breadth and height. The units used to measure perimeter are centimeter, meter and kilometer. The units used to measure area are square centimeter, square meter and square kilometer. And the units used to measure volume are cubic centimeter, cubic meter and cubic kilometer. Remember, square units are used to measure area and cubic units are used to measure volume. The next is perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. And volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. And the last is perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. And area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. And volume of cube is equal to edge multiplied by edge or edge cube. So students, if you learn all the formulas of perimeter, area and volume, you can easily solve the worksheet. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.